Elmo doesn't have a picture for the Monster Art Show.
Oh, of course you do, Elmo. You can have mine back.
Oh, and mine.
And mine. Oh.
But Elmo couldn't take them back. Elmo gave them to you.
Well, that's all right. You can give them back to us after the Monster Art Show.
Oh, thank you, thank you. You all are such good friends.
Oh, sure.
Anytime.
Friends.
Oh, but there's only one problem.
What's that?
Which one should Elmo pick for the Monster Art Show? Which one do you like best?
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.